This mission begins at the surface. A single worker ant has been fitted with a microscopic research camera, small enough to move with her and light enough to let the colony continue as normal. What happens next takes us beneath the soil, into a world almost no human eye has ever seen from this perspective. At the entrance, everything still feels familiar. Daylight touches the outer soil. Other workers move freely in and out of the nest. But just below this opening, the environment changes almost immediately. Light disappears, space narrows, and the colony begins. The descent is tight, unstable, and completely unfiltered. Every movement of the frame comes directly from the ant's body. Every collision, every scrape, every jolt is real to her scale. As the tunnel drops deeper, the surface world vanishes behind us. Inside the entrance tunnels, visibility is almost gone. Only the harsh beam from the micro camera reveals fragments of the path ahead. Root fibers, packed earth, falling particles, and passing workers moving through darkness with complete familiarity. For the colony, this is not chaos. It is routine. Now we enter one of the colony's main traffic routes. These tunnels act like underground highways carrying workers, resources, and information between critical chambers. Antennae make constant contact, directions are exchanged in motion. Nothing here stands still for long. The deeper we move, the denser the colony becomes. What seems like random motion from the outside is actually highly organized flow. Workers sorting tasks, transporting food, responding to signals, and maintaining the hidden infrastructure of the nest. This is one of the most sensitive areas in the entire colony, the brood zone. Here, nurse workers care for eggs, larvae, and pupae, constantly repositioning them to control moisture, temperature, and protection. The future of the colony is concentrated in chambers like this one. Every brood chamber is alive with maintenance. Nothing is left unattended, nothing remains in one place for long. Even at this scale, the colony operates with astonishing precision, and yet we are still not at its deepest working spaces. Beyond the nursery zones, the colony shifts from care to processing. Seeds, organic fragments, and insect remains move through specialized storage and handling areas, where workers sort, break down, and redistribute resources through the nest. This is not just shelter, it is a functioning underground system. Food chambers connect the colony's traffic network to its deeper operational core. What enters here does not stay here for long. Resources are constantly moved, reworked, and transported onward deeper beneath the surface. Now the structure opens into something larger. This is a deep colony hub, a central zone where traffic, brood movement, and resource transport overlap. Several routes converge here at once, creating one of the busiest hidden environments inside the nest. From this perspective, the colony feels almost endless. This is the deepest visible core reached during the mission. Not a single chamber, but a connected system of movement, labor, storage, and care, all operating beneath a surface that appears silent from above. What looks like simple soil from the outside contains an entire living network. And this is where the mission ends. The camera turns back, but the colony does not slow down. Traffic continues. Workers keep moving, brood is carried, resources are processed. The underground world remains active whether we see it or not. This hidden system was always here. We just followed one ant far enough to finally witness it.